Pros and cons of stainless steel kitchen sinks. Dear friends, stainless steel has been a popular choice for kitchen fixtures, particularly due to its premium look and durable nature. Made from the alloy of steel and chromium, these types of sinks are the best choice for Indian kitchens. Pros of stainless steel kitchen sinks. Durability. Stainless steel is one of the most durable materials used in kitchen sinks. They are crafted to resist corrosion, rust, and stains and can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty kitchens. With their robust construction, stainless steel kitchen sinks maintain their natural luster and polished appearance for extended periods. Maintenance. Stainless steel is a low-maintenance material that is easy to clean and maintain. They have a smooth and non-porous surface where the chances of dirt buildup are minimal. Simple cleaning methods, such as using soap and water, help maintain their shine. Aesthetics. Stainless steel has a stylish, modern appearance that easily complements kitchen interiors. No matter your kitchen style, it is a practical option you can always count on. Affordability. Compared to other materials, kitchen sinks are more budget-friendly while delivering decent performance. Their value for money makes these sinks a choice that consistently meets expectations. Diverse finishes. Stainless steel sinks are available in various finishes, including matte, brushed, and satin, to complement a wide range of kitchen aesthetics. Cons of stainless steel kitchen sinks. Vulnerabilities. Stainless steel kitchen sinks are more prone to scratches and dents. Although this can be mitigated to a certain extent, regular use of utensils can leave permanent marks on the sink surface. Amplified noise. Stainless steel sinks cause more noise than other sink types. While sound dampening pads and noise reduction coatings can minimize these, this can be a potential problem for those seeking a low-noise kitchen environment. Visible spots and fingerprints. Due to their reflective surface, stainless steel kitchen sinks are more susceptible to showing water spots, fingerprints, and other visible marks. While simple cleaning methods can often tackle this issue, regular cleaning is necessary to maintain a spotless sink surface. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more valuable and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.